Frequent campers should know that keeping bread fresh when camping is one of the hardest tasks. Keeping food fresh and cold when camping is hard, but bread is one of the hardest items. To properly keep bread fresh while camping, you will need to follow some basic steps that are very simple and effective. The key to keeping bread fresh while camping is to store it in an airtight container. You want to separate the slices in pairs so that you can easily open the bag and remove 1 or 2 pieces at a time, as needed. This will keep the rest of the loaf airtight, preventing it from going stale. You can also use a Buddy's bread box, it's my personal favorite. It keeps bread fresh by keeping the bread in its original bag. The clear box allows you to clearly see and read all of the nutrition, variety and brand information. Simply place the bag of bread inside the Bread Buddy, fold the excess bag over the outer edge, and pull down on the bag to raise the bread inside, 1 slice at a time. You can always use bread bags if you don't have other storage options. These are typically made of paper or cloth, available in various grocery stores. The zipper bag preserves the natural moisture in the bread to stay fresh for several days. Zipper bags work great for this, as they are small, lightweight, and reusable. Place the bread inside and tie the top closed to use a bread bag. Ensure the bread bag has enough room to accommodate all of the bread you want to store. Another option is to wrap your bread in aluminum foil. The material is known to preserve food well, so it will do a great job keeping your bread fresh. It allows the bread to retain its natural moisture and keep the bacteria out. Keep the bread in a cool and dry place to prevent heat buildup inside the foil and causing the bread to sweat. A cooler is an excellent way to keep food and drink cold when camping and can also help keep bread fresh. It works by trapping the cool air inside and preventing it from escaping. The cold air will help to keep the bread from sweating and becoming soggy and prevent it from getting moldy. By using all these simple yet effective methods, you can get fresh bread during camping.